Hey guys, Darren here with Franker Farms. So I just got this truck yesterday. There's going to be a bunch more videos up on YouTube about it, and you can follow my process of fixing it up. So the driver's side headlight, the high beam wasn't working on this thing right from when I got it. So I've just been kind of troubleshooting that. I watched somebody else's video, and apparently I have to rip the whole grill off, and that's a ton of fun, and tons of little bolts and stuff, not too bad. So I was kind of frustrated with this because I tried a few different bulbs that I had for the high beam right here. Got your low beam over here, and every time I turn on the low beams work just fine, but every time I turn on the high beam, my headlight goes out, and this doesn't work. Works perfectly fine over there on that side. So what I found is I was looking around here and jiggling all the wires, couldn't figure out what was going on. I've got no power to my plug here. I've got no power in this wire at all. I'm assuming the blue and white is the ground at this point. I went back over here. I opened up this loom here, and I've got power in my green wire there. Before I opened that up, I looked over here and I found that I had power over there. Funny enough, I found old holes in the wire here. I doubt you'll be able to see that, but I found old holes in the wire, so I poked those in too. So somebody before me was probing around here and just didn't find out the answer. So I was giving this harness a good shake, and then I found my problem here is a short. So I don't know how that rubbed on something, but this is my power wire. So I've got power to this side of it and not this side. So I'm just gonna put a butt connector on this, tape it all up, and hopefully that'll be waterproof, and then I should have a headlight or a high beam soon. All right, so I put my butt connector on there. I don't have any heat shrink, and I think that's too close to other wiring to not light everything on fire. So we'll go inside the cab now and test on that. Got my high beam indicators on, and we have lightage. This is good. And now we just have to make sure that we have lightage on the headlights again without the high beam on, so we'll turn that off. And we do. So there you go. That was super simple. I guess somebody else missed it, but luckily I found it. Got to put this all back together again, and I hope that helps you guys out if you ever have a simple short like that. Thank you.